thought of it doing this. So there's a clip right here. Pop it off, and all you need is one of these little plastic pry tools for plastic clips. And then all you have to do is pop it out. It's just a bunch of tabs. You need that to get to the one that's down here, and then it hooks over there, and then there's hooks that goes that way. So I'll show you once I pop this off. One of the clips fell down here. One was right here. Let's try to see this. No broken tabs. Here is the two that clips on that side. Well, one of the tabs got stuck. It's on the thing. And then here's the one that hooks down there. So, this one looks pretty good. You just gotta get the head and turn it out. There it goes. And then it just, the head just slips right in between. And then when it's time to put it back on, you just have to align the front tab, kind of like slip it in that way. And then the back side under, and then you just pop the tabs in, and that's it.